Hello and welcome to my channel Crafted Beauties. Thank you for stopping by. As you can see on the screen, this is a diorama card which we will make today, and I will give you the specification how we have to make diorama cards. So let's get started. I have already cut my card and shaped it, and I am going to teach you how to do that. I just wanted to show you how it looks. So this is how I have folded, and there is a depth in it. So I see when I will put my top layer, it will be deep like that in between. So to make that, what I have done is I have taken 7 inches by 7 inches of paper to make 5 by 7 card. So for the base also and for the top also, I have taken 5 by 7 and I have scored at half inch and 1 inch both sides. And for the base layer, I have not done anything, only for the top layer. And for the layer to decorate our card, I have placed both the cards. The gray layer I have cut in 5 by 7 inches, and I have placed in my Big Shot machine with the circle die, and I have give the circle aperture in the center. And with the colored cardstock, as you can see, I took one paper for inside layering 5 by 7 as well, and some sentiments there. And you can see how I have cut this layered paper in the center to decorate, and these flowers I have cut from my pattern paper, and I have just did some fussy cutting over there, leaving little border at the edge. So let's get started how I have done. So as I explained, 5 by 7 paper, I am folding 1 inch score line there towards inside, and towards outside the half inch score line, like so. And I'm just burnishing it, so it will come like this. Yeah. So we will do it from both the sides. So 1 inch inside and score it, half inch outside, score it. Okay, burnish it well, the score lines, and this is what you will get. So I have both the base layer where I have not cut anything and the top layer. So when I will see it keep like this, I can use any layer. Now I am just placing it, making that layer on the bottom, and this is on the top like so, and it will go like this if you want. And if you do like this, it will go in simple envelope, 5 by 7 envelope. And if you want to put it like this, you can do it on the box as well. So for the box, I have already made one video on my channel. I will link that video on the screen on the I button. You can just go there and see how to make boxes for your cards. So here you have to be really careful when you cut your layers, especially when you cut the circles or any shape in the center, or sometimes because you are not measuring it, you are just eyeballing it. Sometimes what happens, it goes little bit, tiny bit here and there, up and down. So if you place it other way, your layer other way around, it will not match your base circle. So always write top and bottom with the light pencil so that you will not be confused which is the up top side and bottom side. So I have stuck my layer there on my top aperture, and this is how I want to place my striped pattern paper. So I was having these papers since long, These are, if I'm not mistaken, these are Heidi Swapp uh, papers, designer papers. They have quite nice papers there. So, but I was not using them. So I thought, let me just make something out of this. Mostly, I don't make these kind of uh, designs on my cards. I normally use uh, plain papers and I use inks. But these kind of papers, ideas with paper, also cards also looks nice, and it takes less time also, and it gives a really, really nice look to your card without doing much effort. So your papers are already designed. You just have to use them creatively so it looks nice, give nice combinations. So here I have taken gray, coal gray, and red. So yes, so here I will stick my base inside the gray color base, and like so. So it will be seen from the top if somebody sees. It will not be seen too much, but yeah, it will be seen. So what I have given the combination of the base is gray and the red flowers will pop up, the same kind of flowers. So it will look nice. So these are the matching designer series papers. So I have used them like this. So now here I am trying to place these red flowers in a way that it will come in the center so that I can see from the circle window. So from with the double-sided tape, I am doing my double-sided tape double so that to give some depth there. So my tape is really thin, so I wanted to give little more depth. So it's a good idea. You can always double up your tape and give some height to your. So this is how I am placing it. So I think, yeah, I think this is fine. So I'll just place it, press it there. So I'm happy with the placement. See, we can see the flowers from there. And now I have few small flowers or few little bit things which I want to decorate there, like so. So I just wanted to give little dimension. So the base, and I will put my other flowers on the circle, on the top layer. So it will give little feeling of that there is some depth is going on. They are on the top and the other one is on the base, like that. I want to give that look. So here I have cut this rose. It is the edge of my sheet. So it is a good idea if you have any flower which don't place the flower fully there, because you can use half your flower, cut your flower in half and use in two places. So very good idea of using your one flower in two places, and because behind if you will stick, no point be wasting your such beautiful designer series paper flower. So I really like this designer series paper. So I am giving little height of my top flower there, like so. So this is, I'm just randomly doing. So what I see sometimes when I am doing my video, so it is really difficult. It will be too long when I will play stick all this. I will think. Obviously, you have to think when you are doing something like this. So what you should do, where first you roughly arrange all these flowers in your uh, paper, and take a picture then. And when you make the card, you just refer with that picture, so it will be quicker for you. So while making this card also, I am really referring to my uh, image which I have taken on my phone. So this is how you can place your sentiments, I'm sorry, all the flowers there. So like so. So, oops, I think this window is small for my hand. I have to uh, place it like so. So yeah, so there is some depth. Maybe depth. You in the camera you cannot feel, but yes, there is a two layers I can see on the top and the bottom. So I'm placing thanks sentiment on this card. See, on cards, no, I what I do sometimes I just make some cards, few cards, and I don't give sentiments to those cards. Cards, cards, sentiments. You can use any sentiments whenever you want to gift it to somebody. So on this card, you can use birthday also. You can use anniversary also. You can use any sentiment. So here I am using thanks. So now, fun part is this. I want something floating in between two layers. Yeah. And I don't want to see, I don't want anybody to know how it is floating. Yeah. So what I have done is I have taken an acetate sheet. I have cut it in thin stripe, and I glued my butterfly in there. I am just placing it with the glue dot. I have placed it there. So when I will do this, uh, stretch my card there. See, this strip is too long, so it is not moving. So what I will do is I will cut the strips from one side, and I will keep that strip only on the left side. It is up to you whether whatever you want to do, right or left. For me, the right now left is more feasible for the design. So I have, I will stick that acetate sheet there on the edge. You will not see because I will glue that layer there. So I'm just taking, you can taking a glue dot, clear glue dot there, and placing my acetate sheet there. So with the glue, sticking acetate is really difficult. So what I do, I just take glue dot, or you can use your glue gun as well if you want, and just stick it there like so. So now you see my butterfly is flying there, and when I'm stretching my diorama card, it is now I will place my top layer and see my butterfly is flying there. And so yeah, so such a lovely and beautiful idea is this. So what we will do now, we are on the final stage of making our card almost. So on the outer edge we will put a glue, and one by one we will start assembling it like so. So you cannot see that sheet, and the precautionary I have taken a longer acetate sheet to just have a margin there. So I'm just snipping it off with whatever is coming out of that card there. So see, like so. And now let's glue the other side as well. So see, when I'm opening, how this butterfly is flying here and there. So I am really liking this, and you can use your imagination. You can use more different ideas, and when you do make this card, I will put my email address on description box also, and there is my email address in bio also. So please do send your pictures. I would love to see what you have come up with instead of butterfly, what you have done, and how you have designed your diorama card. And I would love see how it is moving. So let's get put our sentiment there. I have just used double-sided tape over there to place my sentiment, and I'm just snipping the double-sided tape which was seen through by that there and behind. So now uh, this is how is the final look of my card. So what I'm thinking is it is almost done, but on the bottom I feel I can place one flower like so that it will not look empty and at the bottom. So let me just place this flower with the double-sided foam tape there. It will look like so. I have just placed double-sided tape to give some dimension, and I have just placed it there. So this is the end of our card, and this is what we have got. Thank you for staying till the end, and I would love you to make and see your creativity. Please do send your cards on my email address, and yep, we will meet very soon again. And don't forget, if you're liking my videos, please, please, please do subscribe my channel and hit that like button. And I would love to see your comments, how you are liking this card. So that really encourages me. So do comment below how you like this card and what you want to see in my next video. I will be coming with the next video very soon. Till then, bye bye.